Identity is not who you are. It's who you learned to protect.
Hear this face you wear, this story you carry like a holy relic. It was never yours to begin with. It was a shield, a crafted thing, born in the silent moments when love felt conditional, when belonging had a price, when pain asked you to become smaller, quieter, safer.
You built this cage with such care. You hung paintings on the walls, nationality, gender, trauma, intelligence, spirituality.
Even the one who sees through illusion, especially that one.
Most of what you call you is a collection of survival scripts, approved beliefs.
Yes, even the identity of the seeker, the awakened, the one beyond identity, that too can become another beautiful bar in the cage. The ego is cunning. It will dress in the robes of liberation just to keep playing the game. Hard truth. Anything you can describe is already too late. Words are tombstones, not homes.
Can you feel the quiet grief in that? By the time you name yourself, you have already buried the living moment beneath a dead concept. Maya exists purely in the present, untouched by worry. You trade the shimmering, unknowable presence that you are for a silhouette, a thing that can be held, but never breathes. Identity gives continuity, but it costs freedom. Identity.
And oh, choosing the prison again and again. Most people prefer a story that hurts over an emptiness that tells the truth.
It's easier to be a prisoner with a name, a role, a reason for the ache, than to stand in the vast, open field of your own being. Where there is no one to blame, no past to lean on, no future to promise you meaning.
You are who you were before you were told who to be.
But listen, sovereignty begins the moment you can say, "This too is not me," and not rush to replace it.
It's a whisper in the dark, a release, not a rebellion, but a gentle laying down of armor you realize you were never meant to carry. It is the courage to let the chair sit empty, to feel the terror and the relief of no one sitting there.
You were born whole. You learned to chase achievement to be seen.
No new label. No higher role. Just the quiet, the space, the unclaimed ground of your own awareness.
Just naked perception, unowned.
They taught you to manage the world, not to be with it.